An amazing day so far and got led to the promised land by the traffic lights yet again, team. We have a little bit of an announcement for you guys in a little bit that I know some of you guys are going to like. So, team, again, as you guys are filtering in here, make sure that you're hitting that like button on the stream. I don't want to see any of you slackers slacking on the like button over here. You guys were slacking on the stream earlier with Gabe and I. I don't want to see any of the slacking over here. So, team, let's get after it. Let's have some fun going into close. Again, if you've already made your money today, there's really no reason to be fucking around right now. The SPY it's teetering above 400 here. You've seen these flashes down below. Let's see if we're going to get anything else crazy coming into the end of the day here. But team, this is kind of setting up like yesterday. Let's just kind of see what happens here. So how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? You guys having a good day? Let's see. What do we got here? Woo! All right. Oh, we only got 20 likes on the stream. Slackers, 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 slackers. I can't believe you've done this. Congratulations on the wedding. Why would I be getting married? I'm not getting married. Fuck's up with that, Arvind. Like number 7. Thank you. Do I like the spy run? No. Doesn't matter what I like, though. Matters if you like it. Tor, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right. You're really just waiting to see if the spy can crack 400. If it can, you might cascade. The 200 EMA on the 1 minute sitting basically right there. I think if you flash the 200 EMA on the 1 minute again, you might die, but who knows? But you love her? Who, Arvind? Who do I love? Who do I love? Let's see. Who, Arvind? Stay away from marriage? Guys, I'm not getting married. That's the silliest financial decision you could ever make. I'm in the business of making solid financial decisions. Not bad ones. Let's see here. Ooh, we're almost at 50 likes. Okay, team. 20 likes away from 50. Thank you. I appreciate that, everybody. All righty, folks. Watching the spy over here. Nothing too crazy is going on yet. Apple's starting to just rip out of nowhere for some reason. Let's see. Spy's just fucking around here, dude. It's just fucking around. Let's see. If that's the case, why would you move to Boston? Because I like Boston. Boston's nice. I like it here. I have a great time a lot of the time. Chilling, up a little less than 1%, hanging on the sidelines, been yellow lighting it the fuck up lately. Atta boy, Tor. That's what we want out of you. The yellow traffic lights, guys, are going to take you guys to the promised land. And I do have a little bit of an announcement for everybody that missed it on the previous stream. So again, tell everybody in the community, tell everybody in the Discord, like the video over here, get some more people in. I do have an announcement for you guys. Remember, I told you, don't get left behind. I've been saying this for a while, and this is where it's coming to. So make sure that you guys are ready for this announcement over here because I don't want you guys being left behind. Apple said share buybacks. Whatever. Spy is flat today. This is kind of funny. Let's see. Spy, what are we going to do? Let's see here. You finally got that root canal today, and I'm still up 1% on the day. Thanks, 1348. Attaboy, Chris. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yeah, this thing just fucking around. Right of resistance here. Let's see. You had very good risk management so far today. Good. That's what I want out of you guys. Good risk management. Let's see. All right, 9 likes away from 50. You guys are slacking so hard today. Oh, boy. I'm going to have to punish you guys for something. You guys need a punishment today, too. Again, if we get to 500, I will show ankles, but we'll see about that. What time frame do I prefer to play the yellow dots on? I like the 1, but again, remember, if you're not good at managing risk and your emotions in the trade, do not go anywhere close to the 1 minute. 2% on the portfolio for the first time rejection and stop loss strategy for the win. Thanks, 1348. There you go. Data Dog made your day. Nice. Let's see. You're horrible at it, so you stick to the 5. Good. You have to know how you react when you're in trades. This thing's just coiling here, dude. You got that from? Was it the traffic light? Because if it was, thank you, traffic lights. The traffic lights are filthy. The yellow dot on the spy. Why? Because the entries are perfect. The entries are like pinpointed sniping. That's why I like them. You're almost like a lot of the time I'm immediately green by a 10% and I can scale out. It's awesome. And on the times that I can't, the risk is so tight that I don't care. But let's see here. Once we get 200 people in here, I will make the announcement. But in the meantime, guys, I've been telling you, don't get left behind. You got your 2-week free trials in the top of the live chat. Make sure you guys are taking full advantage of that. Remember, I'm telling you, prices are going to go up in the future. So don't get left behind. I've been telling you. I've been telling you. Because the announcement has to do with getting left behind. Let's see here. Yeah, Spy just chopping around. Let's see. Closing candle below the 13. Nothing crazy here. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Join the community. Life Wisdom, I appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, you're hunting a traffic light on the 1 minute here. Let's just see what happens. Nothing really. The Weeble fills are killing you today? Why? What's wrong with the fills? My fills have been fine. No child left behind. True. Can you tell us how you exit when it goes the wrong way in the 1 minute? I'm usually out very quickly. I'm just like in, out, done. What do you mean by how I exit? It's usually a closing candle or another traffic light in the other direction. That's usually what it is. You want Spy to keep bouncing on the 13 all day? On the 5? It could. I mean, it's not gonna. I mean, it hasn't done that all day long. It's just been flashing around with those wild ass VWAP tests. For the OGs, is the 1348 lifetime price always going to be available? No, not after February 1st. It's not, because we're changing it to the monthly lifetime option. So you have until February 1st. So that's going to be part of the announcement that we're going to be making over here. Let's see. You need to work nights so you can trade in the mornings. You can do that if you want, or you could swing. Apple's fucking around here. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Spy's just chopping. Let's see. Yeah, once we hit 200 people in here, I'll give the announcement. Traffic lights are groundbreaking. Yeah, I know, dude. They're fucking filthy. They are absolutely nasty. Let's see here. So everybody keep smacking the like. Fuck Apple. Caught a big loss on it this morning that I held from yesterday. Still up both. Oh, there you go. Justice Department suing Google. Good for them. Do you put your stop loss immediately or do you just wait to move it? It depends. Sometimes I do a little bit of both. Let's see. This thing's just riding the 13 right now. It's flickering. Just flickering, dude. Look at this. Let's see. Depends. Sometimes I'll throw a stop on there if I just want to kind of close my phone and let it go. Sometimes I won't though. Sometimes I'll leave it there, scale out, and it really just depends on what the trade is. But again, the thesis and the overall way I'm trading it is the same every single time. Does this look like it's going to be a breakout? It easily could, but it doesn't matter what I think. It's flashing traffic lights here. Like if this slips, it's literally just sandwiched. Could it break out? Yeah, it could. But I mean, you have a lot of fucking resistance up here. It could flash and die like this. It could flash and then just get killed. But who knows? All right, team. Let's see. You mounted. You mounted this level up here. It's flickering. Bunch of crosses up just alerting. Yeah, it is. Oh, whoa, whoa. See? It's fucking around. Spy's getting after it here. Spy's getting spicy. Let's see. I mean, look at the traffic light here, dude. You guys want to know about the traffic lights? I mean, I've shown you guys so much proof of concept of this. Don't get left behind because we will leave you behind. Just saying. Just saying. Let's see. That's a run there. Is this going to be one of those afternoons where it just fucking pumps? That'd be hilarious. Let's see. Or is this going to get aggressively sold into? So. Up 10% on SPY. Dude, the traffic lights don't fucking look. Boom, 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 boom. Easy. Easy, dude. Aren't these just so fucking nice? Come on, dude. Don't let us get a hold of these traffic lights over here. No, they don't. Fuck, it's crazy. I know, dude. The traffic lights are nasty. Pay attention or pay a premium. Oops. Let's see. Oh, we're almost at enough people in here for me to make the announcement. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps get some more people in here. Let's do it. Let's see. Let's see here. Fingers crossed, hoping that I'll be approved on your first house. Malachi, fuck yeah, buddy. Congratulations. Congratulations, dude. That's awesome. That is awesome, dude. Moto? No, that's not happening. Are you going to strangle or straddle Microsoft? No. Why? That's no. Microsoft is usually the one that doesn't move a whole lot either, so no. SPY yesterday made highs, then dumped. Be patient. It's making highs right now. But look at the damn traffic light. You get this one at 400, you're up $1. You're welcome. You're welcome. 5K squeeze, I'll time your ass out too. Don't be fucking with our people because I will continuously time you out. I warn you every single time. You're going to change your attitude or I'm going to keep banning you. And I will ban you on the channel too. That's $1 move in the SPY there. You're welcome. That's filthy, dude. New to the 1348 crew? Oh, everybody type, give a nice welcome to just type Jonah123. There you go. You made the right choice. You made the right choice. Let's get after it, get you up to speed and printing. You didn't play the Yaslo dot on the SPY. Now I'm waiting for the reversal. Now, yeah, you are. I mean, this thing looks like it could have a lot of strength going into the end of the day. Yeah, got to. I like Weeble better. Weeble's awesome. Tor says, Jonah, welcome to the winning team. There we go. There we go. All right, let's see what SPY wants to do here. Let's see. Ooh. Once we get 10 more people in here, it'll be time for the announcement. Get ready, everybody. Keep liking the video. It helps out a little bit here. What? We're 18 away from 100. Thank you, team. Payment forward flow, bro. I don't give a fuck. I like trading options. It's going to be payment forward flow no matter where you go. And I know you're joking. Let's see. Tastyworks. Yeah, their interface is pretty shitty. I think I had a Tastyworks account for a little bit. Yeah, that's not bad, dude. Yeah, Interactive Brokers as options. I think they have a better interface too. I don't have an Interactive Brokers account, but Tastyworks is awesome for futures. Ooh, maybe I'll fuck around with that. Moto, that was a good one. Spy's pushing highs again here. There it go. Ooh. RSI is starting to get cooked a little bit. Thinkorswim interface ain't great to you. Yeah, I don't. It's gonna give a lot of you guys analysis paralysis, especially if you're new. Like Thinkorswim is gonna give you guys too many tools to use. Also, I think we have to say this again. If you're gonna gamble on earnings and you lose, don't come crying to anybody that you lost on earnings. It's a gamble. Don't do it. Like seriously, if you're gonna do it, like you're setting yourself up for failure. You're literally zero or heroing it. Let's see here. Well, 6 more people in the stream. We can do our little announcement. Woohoo! All right, folks. Keeping that. We're 5 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Let's see. Spy fucking around. Running. 20% on spy calls, hit 3% P&L. Fuck yeah, dude. All right. Woo. We got over 200 people in here. Are you guys ready for the announcement? Are you guys ready? Oh, no, it flashed. Maybe we go 220. We wait a little bit. Because again, I'm telling you, you're going to get left behind. I've tried to warn you many times. Back from taking care of a client, lurking once again. Love you all. Have a great day. Quick gains. Cody, 100%, buddy. Were you number 200? You might have been. All right, guys. So we're going to do a little bit of an announcement here. It's pretty big. So get ready. So for a long time, we kind of screwed up a little bit on the lifetime membership stuff for all of you guys. Now, what we said is that the OG members were going to get access to that OG lifetime code. So what's going to happen now is that everybody is going to get access to 50% off lifetime until the end of January. So February 1st, it goes away. There is no more 2,700 lifetime. There is no more 50% discount on lifetime. It's getting taken away. But we are replacing it with the payment plan option. So it's going to be 10 payments once a month for $150 for lifetime, and then you're done. The reason for that is because we've had a lot of people coming in at $27 or $26.99. And like, again, we want to give preferential treatment to the OGs, but if people come in there, then we have to give them preferential treatment, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense because you guys are the OGs. So after February, again, you can use the OG lifetime code right now and get 50% off lifetime, one-time payment. You're done. You get access to everything forever. If you wait until after February 1st, it's going to be 10 payments of $150. So that is the little announcement there, team. So remember, we've been talking about lifetime. And again, the monthly option is staying the same. So if you guys do want your 2-week free trial over there, that is linked at the top of the live chat too. You don't have to do anything special. You just sign up through the monthly option and then you are good to go. But the 50% off lifetime deal, the $26.99 lifetime is going away. because there's a lot of other of you guys that want lifetime too. And you're like, well, I can't do it now. I'd wish there was a payment plan. So we're doing something that's kind of like the best of both worlds for everybody. So we merged it basically into one. And that's how we're going to do things. What happens if you sign up for quarterly? You're fine. Quarterly's fine. If you're a quarterly member, nothing changes. Even if you're an OG, this applies to everybody. So everybody gets access to the 50% OG lifetime until the end of this month. So February 1st, it's over. And then after that, it becomes the 10 installment payment plan. Is it still $49 a month? Only for the OG. So everybody that's in is grandfathered. Remember, you're never going to pay a higher price if you're already in. So this is why I've been saying, do not get left behind. Prices are going up. We've got a lot of things in the works coming for you guys. We just released the yellow traffic lights, and you guys have been fucking printing with them. So again, if you do want to take advantage of lifetime before February 1st, the code is OG Lifetime. You guys will all have access to that. And then nothing else changes for now. Remember, the monthly one will be going up in the future too. Let's see. Got your lifetime locked in. Best learning and personal decision I could have made as a 22-year-old, says Cody. We appreciate you, buddy. So that is the deal. Let's see here. Can I make a Weeble video? Probably not, no. Like, there's too many nuances. It's not, it's little trial and error there. Same here, Cody. Us youngins are making it happen. Yeah, you guys really are. You guys have been killing it. Tor, I know you've been doing pretty good, a little on and off. Cody's been doing good. I mean, you guys have been crushing it, man. Just joined last week. Do I qualify for the OG lifetime? Yes. So up until the end of the month, all you have to do is use the OG lifetime code. Make sure you reach out to Diana though, so you can cancel your monthly membership, and then you guys are good to go. So it's one last chance at 50% off lifetime, and then in February it's moving to that 10 payment and basically payment plan, just as a middle ground for everybody. Let's see. Whatever y'all do to keep the lights running is fine. Pay your monthly dues like a good kid. There you go. Putting in the work every day and making progress. We'll be printing in due time. Fuck yeah, Tor. I love to hear that, buddy. What is the total cost for OG lifetime right now with 50% off? $13.48. Let's see. Why do I have American Waterworks up here? I do not need that. You heard your 10% on that Spy Pop? Moonbound. Atta boy, dude. Atta boy. I mean, this 1 minute was filth. Yeah, so we'll probably send out some announcements to you guys in the community as well. Purple Sky, if you're in at 49, you are good to go. If you want to upgrade the lifetime with the 50% off, you have until February 1st. But we're going to send another announcement out to you guys pretty soon. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. At the end of the month, it's just switching over to 10 payments of $150. Let's see here, though. I mean, this Spy looks like it could start slipping here. Let's see. John, stop. Signing up for lifetime today, Abraxis. There we go, man. Lost $90 today. Wasn't using the stoplights. Might give it a go tomorrow. Dude, the traffic lights are filthy. You guys have seen them. It's filthy. If there's good news for Microsoft, in your opinion, is 255 possible tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, you're gambling, is what you're doing. You're gambling. That's all you're doing there. You're gambling. Yeah, so right for the time being, the monthly membership is going to stay the same with the 2-week free trial, but that will be going up in the future. But if you get in before we do that price increase, you're locked in forever. What's the ATR on what? I mean, it's earnings, so ATR is not really gonna matter. Yes, I'm gambling, was just curious if you thought it was feasible. Yeah, I mean, it could. What's it at now? 242? Yeah, what, $12 move? Yeah, it could, definitely could. Anything can happen on earnings. That's the thing you have to realize. Like, you could say, could it go to 200? Yeah, it could. Like, you never know what's gonna happen on earnings. Let's see. Let's see. Spy pop. Nancy moving around. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. Spy's just fucking around. Like this, I mean, it could easily make a move from here if it starts to slip, but I think the Bulls might have it today. You can again, time on the screens is just kind of gonna like if it didn't slip here, I don't think it's going. Like two giant candles trying to push this thing down and it gets bought up right away. The Bulls might have this thing at least for now. We'll see. Again, these are just estimates. I don't know. The last trade here was this traffic light to the upside. That was filth. Let's see. All right. I feel like we're just gonna end up going left on this stream because there's just not much happening. So what do you guys want to talk about? We can talk about something fun. You guys know the deal with the OG lifetime stuff now. You have until February 1st to get in with the 50% off code. Right now, monthly staying the same. And then after February 1st, it becomes that installment plan. Need to work on which trades I take. Are you gonna offer one-on-ones at all? We do every single day. We have the call-ins. Every single day at 12:30, we do the live call-in stream. Tell us more about the marriage. Arvin, I'm not getting married, bro. Gilfs? I don't know any like grandmas, bro. I know some moms. Can you show the math on how the market makers pricing the moves for earnings? Well, it's not necessarily okay. So essentially what you do is you add the at the money strikes. So let's say I was doing this on Microsoft right now. This is a good question. So Microsoft, if you look at both for this week, they are, let's see, 242. Okay, so this is perfect. 605 and 6. So whatever 12 is divided by 242.50. About 5%. They're pricing in about 5%. So typically when I trade earnings, I want 1.5 to 2 times what the expected move is. It's solid risk reward. So whatever that dollar amount would be, 12. So you would actually need like an $18 move to make it make sense. Is that realistic? But that's how you do it. It's a rough estimate. It is not exact. Spy slip. Are there any techers you don't recommend using the 1 minute yellow traffic light for? Yeah, I only like doing it on the spy. I love it on the spy. The spy is filth with it. Thank you. You're welcome. Your best friend became a grandma at 35? That's pretty wild. That's pretty nuts. It's pretty crazy, dude. Traffic on the spy. It's not there yet. It's coming, though. It's getting there. It's getting there. Dude, you guys are murdering the like button. So don't discount grandmas. I won't. Don't worry. So that was like double teenage pregnancies. I'm guessing how that would go. That would make the most sense to me. How that would work. Dude, we have an over 50% like ratio in here. That's fucking hilarious. That is great. There's the traffic light. They're good at a particular skill. Oh, then it flickered. So you need a candle close for the traffic light. So you could wait for red. You could wait for red on it. How do you play the 15-minute crypto? Same way that you would trade with normal 1348. Crypto is just a lot more volatile. That's why we use it on the 15-minute just for crypto. Same risk reward. There it is. Guys, you're literally watching the traffic lights play out in real time. There it goes. There she goes. Look at that. That's an easy 10%er right there. Boom. Oh, here she goes. Got to be quick. That's why I say if you're not quick, you don't have good risk management or emotional management, stay away from the 1 minute. But do you see how nasty it can be? That's pretty dirty. Down to blue pill. Yeah, you're just playing levels. I mean, if you were in that, it's just like the scale out's at the 200 right here. It's so quick. So I hope you guys understand the power of the traffic lights in general. Dude, that was my first time using a yellow light. Oh my God, I just made money. Thanks so much. Robert, you fucking monster. There you go, buddy. Look at that right here. Oh my God. Again, guys, do not get left behind. We're already starting to kind of ramp up lifetimes. So again, February 1st, last chance for 50% off your lifetime membership. And I'm telling you right now, the monthly membership will be going up. And I don't know if we're going to continue doing that 2-week free trial. You guys just saw the traffic lights right here. We are alerting you guys on these very soon on the 4-hour and the daily. All lifetime members right now have access to those alerts. So again, if you guys are interested in that, taking your trading to the next level, look, I mean, I've been doing these all day long. There you go. Here's the link. Don't get left behind. No man left behind. 24.73% on that last SPY traffic light. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, bro. I love this shit. We are in Print City. Let's see. Sorry for the caps. That was a quick play. In and out 20%. There you go. There you go. That SPY play was nasty. Yeah. I mean, I hit the. So I'll go through some of the trades that I took with you guys today. Hit this one up, nasty. Hit this one down, nasty. Hit this one up, nasty. This one stopped out. This one hit it up, nasty. Then I was done. So I played all of this traffic light, this one, and this one. I played 4 of them. This one was a very, very tight risk here. And then these I just let fly. Those were filthy, dude. So, again, I tell you guys all the time, you've seen it. It's up to you to take action. Let's see here. So our 1 minute traffic light's okay before 10. When was this one? I think it was after. Wasn't this after 10? 9:44. Oh, I know what I did on this one. See, this is what I did. I waited for the data on this candle, And I entered on, I think, this candle. So I waited for confirmation on this one. So I did play the traffic light, but I was a little bit late on it because I wanted to wait for the data. Again, Arvind, it all has to do with risk management. I'm finally respecting levels and taking profits. Thank you. Oh, this could get nasty. You're right at a level here, too. You break 400. Uh-oh, Spaghetti-O. 14% on that SPY traffic light. Bro. What do you mean? These are so dirty, dude. All right, there's the slip of 400 a little bit. It's just flashing. 2 weeks free, team. That is fucking gnarly. That is just filthy. Up 16% on an Apple put. Stop loss around 8 to 9%. 40%. Thank you. T, sir. You fucking... Ooh, hold on. T, sir. 40%. I think you might have been trading dailies. Be careful with that. But good for you, buddy. That's filth. What data were you waiting for? Apologize for the crazy question. Still learning all this stuff? Oh, no, that's not a dumb question. I was waiting for manufacturing and services PMI. How much can a person possibly make with mini futures? Millions. How much can you lose? Way more than you put into your account. They are highly, highly, highly levered financial instruments. Be careful with them. But they're sweet, dude. And they have some nice tax benefits as well. Can we talk about how the SPY's been selling off every hour, the last hour, every day? I mean, we can. It's just, I'm not going to ever follow stuff like that, Wreck-It Ralph, because one, that's just weird pattern nonsense. I'll just trade the traffic lights. Bring me to the promised land. Look at that. There's a little slip here. Let's see. Let's see. Again, we keep it super simple for you guys. Super simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Playing all these traffic lights is going to have us instinctively pressing the gas pedal on the road when we see yellow lights. Yeah. Pretty much, bro. I was thinking about that the other day too. I mean, I don't drive anymore because I don't have a... What the fuck is this? I don't have... Oh, whoops. I don't have a car here because I ditched it. Matt needs some traffic lights. He does, bro. This is what I say. I feel bad for anybody not using traffic lights right now. You are doing yourself a wild disservice. Move your stop up again. Nice. Imagine how filthy these are on the daily. Ooh, I'll show you a good example of one. Tesla. Oops. When was the traffic light on Tessie? When were both of them? Okay, so you got one back here. Nice, cool. But look at this one. 272, 274. It's down at 143. Oh. Yeah, they work on the daily, the 4 hour. We're gonna start talking a little bit more about the daily and 4 hour traffic lights with you guys. They're just gnarly. Wish you could play traffic lights, but you're colorblind. I mean, you can tell. Like the actual these are bigger than the other ones, so you can tell which way they're moving. Last question of the day, Swingins. You can ask as many questions as you like. Those are good questions. The questions that I hate are, what do you think of this stock? Those I don't like. But your questions have been very solid. Last question of the day. Are we checking the 15 and 30 to ensure there is time for the play to mature a bit if needed? Asking because I have a habit of hopping into play and then it goes left. Yeah, you can confirm on the 15 and the 30. But Swingins, what I would suggest that you do is go to the description of this video here and watch all of them. There's the millionaire interview with Jason, which I would say watch that one last. Then there's the stop loss strategy, the risk management video, the reversal strategy, and the secret to becoming a profitable day trader in 2023. I think all of those are in there. If not, they're all on my channel too. You need to watch those videos if you want to have success. And again, I also posted the traffic light video recently as well. That's a nasty one. So SPY fucking around, doing its thing. Why do I have Tesla up here? Oh, because I was looking at the daily. I got a daily traffic light back here. I mean, they're everywhere, dude. Do I know Matt personally? Not really. I've talked to him a few times, but like our DMs are like, we probably have like 4 messages back and forth. What's the cheapest entry point for contracts and the most you can profit from one? If I knew, I'd be a billionaire. You never know. Dude, that millionaire interview changed my mindset a lot. Just watched it last night. Oh, awesome, man. Yeah, that's a good one. I mean, again, I like to talk a lot of shit too, because I'm the only person on YouTube with a video of one of their members becoming a millionaire with a platform, and the traffic lights and proprietary trading algorithms. We're the only ones. We changed the game for retail. You want to be a part of the winning team? We'd love to have you. If not, probably going to get left behind. Oh, with Joseph Burns, stop. Don't hate on the guy too much. See, I mean, SPY's just fucking around this 1 minute 200. Had a back and forth day, 2 for 4, up 0.8%. That means you manage your risk very well. Very well. They took it for a flat 10% gain. That's fine, man. That's perfectly fine. But Swiggins, yeah, watch all those videos. And then I'm not sure if you're in our community yet, but we have a lot. We probably have 14 videos for you in the curriculum right now that you need to watch. Like that can take you from 0 to 100. Arvin, that's not, you can't, that's not, no. Thomas, that's not one of my quotes. That's probably one of the Chat GPT quotes. And I don't know why Chat GPT made me like, it was all Batman shit. And I was like, why are we talking about Batman here? Like all of them had Batman in it. And I was like, or superheroes. I was like, what? It didn't make any sense. It's getting a traffic light on the 4-hour Ash. Fuck, dude, that could get nasty. Yeah, what was the percentage gain on the one that I tweeted out today with the traffic light? Oh, I had a 20%er. I had a 41%er. Yesterday, I had a 236%er with the traffic lights. Filthy, dude. ChatGPT needs a few more of your quotes to learn. Give it a few months worth of close, it'll get better because you are Batman. I mean, Arvin, I could probably say some wild shit in this stream. Like we're gonna probably go left at some point. We got what 50 something more minutes. The only ones I need to look at are the risk, reverse, and stop loss. You've been through the rest and will be a lifer by the first Swingins. Appreciate you, buddy. That's a good choice. But yeah, those are really, really important videos that you got to watch. Like all of the videos that I'm posting for you guys now are like all educational, evergreen videos that you need to watch in order to take your trading to the next level. Let's see them cankles. Well, you'd have to get to at least 500 likes, which is basically impossible today. I don't sugarcoat. I give it to you raw, STV or ChatGPT. That was ChatGPT. Oh, the other one, Arvin, there was one from yesterday where I said, what do 16-year-olds do these days? What do they vape and watch Andrew Tate videos? Then I was like, wait a second. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I think you missed that one. That was a good quote from yesterday when I was trying to give Tyler shit. That was a good one. I don't know. We say a lot of funny things over here. Thoughts on Gurn? I'm new, made a little money so far. Thomas, what specifically? I need specifically. STV going in raw? Never. And all you guys are trying to wax my balls now? Leave me alone. I'm not a piece of meat. You can't do that. You can't just say, ha ha, we're going to pin you down and shave your nuts. That is the crime. You cannot do that. Like, if I say no and you do it anyway, that's a crime. You guys are trying to commit felonies. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Still above 400 here. Was 320. Now it's 336. Do I know anything about it? Nope. I do not. Oh, is it like the farmland one? Maybe. Or corn or something? Heard it was headed to $5 a share. Hey, Thomas, if anybody on the internet or anybody on something tells you that stock is going somewhere, block it out of your mind. They have no idea what the fuck they're talking about. Don't make your investment decisions based on what other people are saying on the internet. What you should use people on the internet for is to like basically get more information than you may not have had otherwise in a way that you're not able to like analyze or understand. That's what it's for. It's not for price targets. This stock's going to go here. You need yellow traffic light notification for the 1 and 5. There's too many of them during the day, man. We can't do it. Like, I only trade the 1-minute traffic lights on SPY. I only trade the 1-minute traffic lights on the SPY. I don't need alerts for it because I have it up all day. I mean, you guys just saw it play out in real time. That was a filthy trade, dude. Filthy. You can't just say, haha, we're going to pin you down and shave your nuts. That's a crime. You can't do that. Yeah, exactly. That's an STV quote right there. See, I wasn't even trying on that one. Find yourself jumping around checking all these different companies, very time consuming. Yeah, you don't have to. I only do it on the SPY. I love it on the SPY. Yeah, and on the 1 minute too, by the time you got the alert and opened it, you'd be too late. Like you could have like a bunch of like this. You could be in a situation where it does this, where you see the traffic light here. You could be getting in on it here, but by the time you get the alert and look at it, it's already down here and the trade's over. That's almost the problem. Can you explain traffic lights? Like I said, I'm new here a lot of time. Yes, Thomas, I'm not going to do it here, but there are 2 videos out there that you need to watch. The Review Dork's most recent video and my most recent video. Watch those 2 and you will know everything you need to know about the traffic lights. Mine's called like the most profitable trading view indicator for 2023. And then Gabe's is titled something similar. Rip to who bought your Apple put. Hold that bag. Teaser. Damn, bro. Emotional damage. When the 4-hour and daily traffic light alert. Oh, that's in 2. Well, yeah, that's the end of next week. You guys should have those. There's no way to call it early. I tried doing it on the 3-minute and that was no go. Yeah, you can't call it early. Yeah, by GME, that is going to be, should be at the end of next week. You guys will all have that. I need to put Gabe in the thumbnails. I made that. Well, I didn't make the traffic light one. I made the, oh wait, no, I didn't make it. Did I make it? I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Yeah. On the morning streams, we do have to put Gabe in the thumbnails. I got to have him send me like a template and then like the template of, I think I have it too. What's more effective in your opinion, 1348 or traffic lights? Both. They're both equally as effective. If I'm trying to scalp super quick though, I'll fuck around with SPY in the 1 minute. Astro, if you're trying to throw links in the chat, they won't show up. Just because like you can't, mods can, but you can't. Sorry. Twitter is wild today about the halts this morning. Dude, we were live for that and I was like, what the fuck? Because we saw Shopify halted and I clicked on it and I was like, is there news? And then you guys were like, AMC's halted. So then I was like, oh, it could just be doing something stupid. And then you're like, charge points halted. And I'm like, okay, there's no news on any of this. What the fuck is going on? Everything halted. Yeah, so so they're not hard to find. Like they're literally just the most recent videos on our channels. It's very simple. But yeah, I mean, they have good reason to. You shouldn't see lots of stocks like that halting at once. The problem is that my Twitter comment section after I tweeted out why did everything just halt, people were saying that AMC caused it, and I wanted to grab a really sharp knife and just shove it through my eyeballs and then twist it and then bring them out. Because that's how those types of comments make my brain feel. It makes my brain bleed because no, that's not how it works. You caught the spy. I didn't catch that move down, but I caught this one, this one, this one, this one, stopped down on this one, and I caught this one. I caught all those 4. And shave your balls? No. You see what AT&T did at open? I did not. Was that one of the ones that halted too? Because there was like 70 of them. Yeah, this was one of the ones that halted. 100%. It looks like they were almost just misquoting it. And then they just went bing, halt, and then everything did it. Guess where I was for all of them? Not in front of the computer. You were driving FML. It's okay. I mean, there's always going to be more. You don't have to hit all of them. Like, I could have taken one of them and been just done for the day. But I decided to do a shitload of them. Everything out of your mouth towards AMC is negative. Why? Because the C-suite stole from retail investors and then killed the entire thing, in my opinion. And then they've raised a literal, like, very minimal amount of money. You should see some of your old videos on AMC. Yeah, probably before 8, bro. When I liked it a lot. And then guess what? New information came out and my opinion changed. Oh, like, and then I told you for like months and everybody was like, fuck you. I'm going to come find you and kill you. And I was like, fuck you, bro. Can I do a vid on showing my entry and exit for one of your spy plays? Say it would help me. Yeah. What about the corruption? Well, okay. What are you going to do about it? If the CEO of the company is just going to fuck the retail base, there's not much to do. And if you remember from a lot of the live streams, before even it came out, I was like, it's going to run and then it's going to come down after the thing comes out, no matter what. But I mean, I can show you what I did with it. This one was easy. I entered on either this, I'm pretty sure it was this candle, and then ripped it up here, used the stop loss strategy. This one I was in on one of these candles here, wrote it down to here. This one I rode this one up. This one I got stopped out on. I mean, it's hard. I could maybe do it, but I mean, I could go over the timestamps with you. There were a lot of trades today. Let's see. You can't find any evidence. Oh, no, I definitely think the stock has been fucked with. Like, guaranteed it's been fucked with. But the problem is that if the C-suite has the ability to do something and then they don't, and they just, like, and it was the retail investors' fault too. Like, they didn't let them raise capital back when, and I was like, you probably should do that. I mean, it's up to everybody, but Mullen, I think it's trash. I don't fuck around with penny stocks. There's a reason why stocks are penny stocks. Could that company then become not a penny stock? Yes, but it's 1 in 100 for most of those companies. And again, if the thesis is then they're gonna naked short it into oblivion, this is the other thing too. It's like, and this is the thing I thought of like most of when we were talking about that type of stuff. It's like, okay, we're all operating under the assumption that since there's a bunch of these quote unquote synthetics out there, which I still think there are floating out there, there's going to be a very high degree of manipulation in it. So the stock's going to go all over the fucking place. It can easily go down. So then people find other ones that are very similar and they're like, okay, well, and then it's the same deal. And it just keeps like money in, depletes, money in, depletes, money in, depletes. Yeah, it really was Adam Aaron for me too. With that whole thing, I was like, if they don't do it right the fuck now, if it came out, it's done. Let's say. And I wish more people saw the videos that I was making on Ape. I was like, this is not good. But everybody just wanted to go. And it's still a very similar phenomenon today where people like ask me what I think about a certain stock. They're just asking me for confirmation bias. And if I don't provide that to them, their emotions get the best of them and they're like, fuck you. And it's like, okay, now, bro, I'm giving you information. Love playing Baba, not every day, but it's a moneymaker. I like Baba too. Baba's fun. It's just the spreads are a bit shitty sometimes. And it can screw around when you're using the stop loss strategy. That's why I like SPY so much because I can just throw the stop there and I know I'm going to get filled within a penny. Let's see. Joey, I don't think all. I mean, there's definitely some kicking around in an account that I don't look at. Let's see. Married to no stock. True. Let's see. There are some companies I would invest in, but we're talking about making plays. Exactly, man. Like you can harp all day all you want. The proof, I mean, it's already out there, like what they tried to do and they failed and just blasted retail. So now we are coming in and helping retail make money in the market every single day. Let's see. Elon testifies he could have taken Tesla private with the funds from SpaceX. Didn't the SEC make him say that he didn't have the funds because of something? It had to do with like taxes and the government or something nonsense like that. Like he came out and he said that he had the funds, and then the SEC made him go and say that he didn't have the funds, even though he did because of some other bullshit. And then now he's saying that he could have taken Tesla private. Yeah, it's all nonsense, bro. The whole thing. This is the other thing you got to think about too. There are a lot of things out there that, like, especially over like the last 2 years that I've learned, there are some people out there with more influence and money that you could possibly fucking imagine. It is like crazy, dude. Some people I'll tell you a story. This one person was just like, I was talking to him and they were like, yeah, I have this house. It's probably worth like 10 million. They were like, oh yeah, I just bought this $30 million house right next to it. Do you know how fucking rich you have to be to just be like, boom, $40 million worth of houses or boats or cars or just like fit? It is crazy. And then you think about it in terms of influence, like the SEC thing with Elon. There are just some situations, and think about Elon too. He is filthy rich. But there's a difference between money and influence, where Elon had to fold, or else Tesla was going to go done. Illuminati, you can call it whatever you want. Matrix, Illuminati, the deep state, whatever. So wait, you're saying there actually might be someone out there that who could actually buy Iowa? Yeah. My problem is mental. I don't take profit. Exactly. What was the announcement mentioned earlier? So you have until, so here's the deal. So you have until February 1st to lock in that 50% lifetime deal. After that, it's transitioning over to the monthly installment thing that we told you guys about before, because we've had a lot of people coming in and getting it at $26.99, but we wanted mostly the OGs to do it, but we can't like give preferential treatment to the new people who paid us. We're like, okay, we need to create a middle ground so the OGs and everybody who's been asking for the payment plan can do that. And then everybody is happy. So it's a little bit of middle ground. So the actual $26.99 and the $13.48, that's going away on February 1st. And it's going to be 10 payments of $150. Should be the whole neighborhood. It's not. I've seen the house. It's ridiculous, bro. But like, you just have to think. It's like some people just don't understand the amount of like, it's ridiculous. You got stopped out with a quick 10% stop loss, only working with a 1K account. I know buy more time, but I still go through settle cash so quick and getting stopped out. I know it's all mental. Predefine your risk before you enter the trade. I mean, maybe fuck around with the 1 minute. You can do the 1348 deal on a plan. Well, sort of. It's going to be 10 payments of 150. So it's just middle ground for everybody, and that's what we're going to leave it as. If you want it at 1348, you can get it until February 1st with the OG lifetime code. I just went back and watched your latest video. It just explained how streetlights are awesome, which they are, but doesn't explain how to use them or read them and make trades. Yeah, it does. It goes over the risk management stuff where I'm talking about the risk, where you would put it and how you would manage it on the way down with the stop loss strategy. It's an extension basically of the stop loss strategy and the risk management video by giving you a tool to basically get you in the trades in order to capitalize on the trades. Yeah, so reach out to Diana Luigi. So either way, you guys can all get lifetime now, but it ends on the 1st and then we switch it over. This is why I've been saying, if you guys are waiting on the sidelines, don't get left behind, because we are going to continually ramp things up, release new things to you guys, and the prices will go up accordingly. You don't know what to do. JJ, you have to take a step back and like get that discipline, because it's a discipline problem. I know most of you guys understand the strategy, but that's not the most important part. It's your emotional management and discipline and risk management when you're in the actual trades. So again, I would say, I would watch the risk management video again, the stop loss strategy video. Those two tools and those two ways of entering and managing trades is going to help out a whole lot. But you cannot just like vary from your plan, because that's how you fuck yourself over. Do you set your stop immediately after the order is placed? No, I don't. Sometimes I do. Like if I'm fucking around and I want to close my phone and let it go, I will. But usually no. I usually play traffic. Like I've been like today, I played traffic light to traffic light. Yeah. So again, for the time being, the monthly membership is staying the same with the 2-week free trial, but it will not be that way forever. So if you guys want to lock that in at the current price, the link is at the top of the live chat. And I'll throw it in here for you guys too. Yeah, SPY moving back up. This is probably another 1 minute one. Boom. Dude, they are everywhere. Oh my God. Lex, I would say go. I mean, I just went over it right now. But go back and watch the beginning of the midday stream that Gabe and I did, and we explain everything to you. And we'll send some more announcements to you guys out in the announcement section as well. Let's see. You were shorting Tesla? Why? I mean, you got a 5-minute cross down here, but it's still... Rodrigo. Stop. Every day with you, buddy. Stop. You say it again, I'm banning you, and you got to come back with a new account. And if it's the same syntax, I'm banning that one too. I'm not playing this fucking game with you where you come in here and say this thing. Every day, it's the same shit. And what happens? Nothing. SPY is flat. Stop. Is travel at best on the 1 minute? It's not. There is no best. It's just I like them to pinpoint the entries because I'm super quick. And if you can't manage risk in your emotions in the trade, don't touch it because it's fast. Peep the Facebook 1 minute traffic lights. Actually, why am I on freaking Webull doing this? I mean, I did run on Nvidia this morning too. Oh, that's filth. Oh, none of these would have missed today. I mean, these would have in the chop zone, but you would have been done. I hit the Nvidia one. This one I hit for a little gain this morning. This one coming up, and I accidentally limit ordered out when I meant to put a stop in profit, which would have hit either way. So, what are the blue dots on the candles? The blue dots? What blue dots? Like the green ones? These are the traffic lights. Is the stop loss strategy easier on the computer? Is it the same in the app and Webull? It's the exact same. Paper trading, I don't think you can do it on Webull. Can you do it on? Can you? I don't know. I've never had a Webull paper trading account. Can you? Some candles have a blue dot on them. What are you looking at here? Where? I don't see any of this. I don't see that anywhere on like Nvidia SPY. I don't see that anywhere. Oh, if you click the candles? Oh, that, yeah. So if you click the candles, just like unclick the candles. No, there's no stop loss on Webull paper trading. Interesting. It's easiest on the phone. Well, yeah, it changes person to person. Like it's easiest on whatever is easiest for you. I like doing it on my phone. I'd be a disaster if I tried to do it on the computer because I click the wrong shit every time. You guys see me mistype stuff and do all that stuff. I don't need to be doing that when I'm in the trades. When I'm on my phone, I'm quick and I'm not making mistakes. I did today though. You guys saw me make a bunch of mistakes today. I could have made a lot more money. Yeah, Orlando. Yeah. You're still confirming. And shark candle. This is why we use the stop loss strategy. You're talking about paper trading? Oh, okay. Why is the SPY so flat today? It is flat. It's choppy, but this has been a filthy day. Like these traffic lights on the 1 minute have been killer. Live trading one-on-one? Nah, it probably won't be. We're never going to do live trading. Just put it out there. Because humans will always take the path of least resistance. One, if we're just telling you exactly the strikes and everything that we're trading, that makes no sense. Because then you're just going to follow us, which we do not want. It's illegal. You're not going to learn good habits, and you're not going to get rich following up. Like that's it. You can't do it. Like because you're late. If there's a delay, you're not going to get the fill. Like there's so much bullshit. I swear to God, if you guys in here are still following somebody else's trades when they're learning them to you, you're destined for failure. But what we can do is Gabe and I can take a day where we record ourselves doing it, then put it out to you guys later. We can do that, which is what we were thinking about doing. Yeah, that Arvin. Yeah, that's what Gabe and I were gonna do. Ooh, we're 1 like away from 150. Thank you, team. Let's see here. So we can see your risk management in real time. Guys, I don't do anything different than what I tell you guys. Like, seriously, I don't do anything different. Like, when I tell you, This is where the risk would be. Like if I like after the trade, if I like this one, the risk on this is a break of the 13. Even if you're getting it on this candle here, it's down. It never breaks it. I mean, it's the same every time. Like I'm not doing anything different than what I'm telling you guys. If I was, that would be stupid and I would need to tell you. Educate one-on-one, not just trading and learn, not using real trades again. But you'd have to trust the student not to trade. I don't trust anybody, Lex. Sorry. So I probably would not do that. But Gabe and I can do one of those days to record and then show it to you guys. There are some things that are just non-negotiable. That is one of them. You just want to see the buttons and shortcuts when you check. I don't have any shortcuts. That's the thing. Like you guys think I'm doing some fancy shit. I'm not. I'm not doing anything fancy. I literally click the thing. I hit stop. Like I'm not doing anything fancy. Oh, what's happening tomorrow? I'm pretty sure there's nothing tomorrow. Yeah, no economic data tomorrow. You're doing fancy shit? I'm not. Like, I'm not doing anything fancy with it. And even if it was fancy, it's not going to help you. Like, it's not some magic thing. Everybody's always searching for this magic fix. There isn't one. You trade the chart in front of you with proper risk management, and it's a game of odds and probability over the long term. That's all it is. Keep it simple, team. Is he really calling up Kenny to get the payment for order flow info to make the trades? Tesla earnings tomorrow. You're curious of that? Interesting. It may just be the suit. Yeah, it might be. Tesla earnings. If you play earnings, you're gambling. So you guys can do whatever you want. We won't know that. It's obvious. Mom, STV's doing fancy shit again. I'm not though. Like I'm not doing anything fancy. It's the jacket. We all need a damn jacket. That's the piece of the puzzle I was missing. No. Definitely not playing earnings, just shares in your long-term port. Oh yeah, interesting. The magic is happening underneath his desk, the ankles. Wish I learned the stock market back in your 20s instead of drinking every day. Yeah, I'm going to tweet this out later. I have a draft. I think he's in here. Tyler, no, a lot of those other young kids that are still in high school or college. If you guys aren't doing everything that you can right now over the next few years to set yourselves up to have a nice chunk of money and income coming in so that you have some money when you're young, you're doing a very big disservice to yourself. Like being able to have fun in the real world and like have experiences with like people you care about that are incredibly unique that nobody else would be able to do unless you did what you did for those years is 1,000 times better than a fucking college party, bro. 1,000 times better. Like I can't even explain. Like it's like, trust me, nobody fucking cares. College parties are fucking stupid. Do you know what I did? Partied my fucking ass off for the first 2 years of college. Then what did I do? Nothing. I worked 2 years, did nothing. And I can tell you from experience that trying to do fun shit in the real world is 1,000 times better than college or high school parties because I've done both. Any updates on AMC? No, the C-suite stole from everybody with Ape, and it, in my opinion, kind of ruined it. A lot of sacrifices in college. Yeah, dude, I could have partied my ass off the second 2 years. I didn't. All you kids in your early 20s need to pay attention and take his advice. Yeah, guys, like, here's the thing. I'm not going to tell you what I do sometimes. I do some pretty fun shit. And it's cool because I can bring people with me. and be like, we're doing cool things. And it's also different because I can meet different types of people in these like places. Stop, like, serious. Like, I would say party and do your thing. Like, you've taken, like, again, if you're a freshman or something, like, I know I got some young people in here, like freshman, sophomore. Like, yeah, that's what I did. And then the second 2 years, nothing, zero, maybe once or twice. Now I do it all the time. Because a lot of you guys are setting your, like, you're so young that you have so much time. Like, you have so much time that, like, Tyler, I want to see Tyler in 2 years just fucking balling out, killing it. The kid's 16 and trading. See, I'm a freshman. No, you're not, Ryan. Have fun, but plan for the future too. Yeah, again, there's a balance. Don't like I didn't have a balance. I was either all party or all work. Which was fun, but it's not like there's any point of it. Like, did I see Eddie Hall? That's crazy. 1,018 pounds? That's ridiculous. Left college after sophomore year and stacking this bread, putting in the work. Don't relate to 90% of kids my age. Yeah, dude. I mean, like, that's what people say about me too. They're like, "You're 23." I'm like, "Yeah, I know I look 20 younger than that," but they're like, "You seem so old." I'm like, "Yeah, bro, we've done a lot of shit." They had to halt the market. Daniel, no, they didn't. Those replies under my tweet made me so sad that people just still haven't learned. But I'm telling you, take the time now. Do what you need to do. Make the money, create income streams. And you're going to thank yourself that you did. Like, in my mind, I feel like it's worth it, but it also was like it was, but it wasn't. Thoughts on rolling options? I feel like people ask me about this all the time. It's like, if you have to roll them, you have to roll them. But, like, again, I mean, I was technically, the other thing that benefited me too is when, remember, I'm old because I repeated a year where I like transferred schools. So I'm old. So technically it was easier for me to do it because, like, I in my mind, I was like, I want to get the fuck out of here. So when I was a junior, in my mind, I was a senior. When I was a sophomore, in my mind, I was a junior. So it was a little bit different. What happened then? The fucking market freaked out, bro. You can't, oh my Lord. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you literally saying that Shopify and a lot of these other stocks halted because of AMC? Are you actually trying to make this argument because of some options that they're going to make a shitload of money on? Please, for the love of God, tell me that you've learned something in the last 2 years. Oh my God. Don't. The corner of the desk is looking good right now, dude. Oh, fucking Jesus. That hurts my soul. Like, it like hurts when I hear shit like that. Like, it genuinely hurts. I hope you guys are kidding. No, he's not. There were people doing it on my Twitter too, and I was like, Jesus. Ryan, why'd you time him out? Teaser's joking. You think we test 401 again and die? Yeah, dude. That hurts so bad. What happened? I'm waiting. You're gonna be waiting for a while, pal. I don't know what's going on in your brain, but you got to fix that. I'm telling you right now, you have to fix that. It is wildly egotistical, self-centered to think that everything is revolving around the stock that you are too emotionally attached to. That you have to liken it like a weird stock market halt that's never happened before to one stock. No, it's not what happened. If it was a result of that, they would have just halted the damn thing. Jesus, man. Whew. Damn, that's my brain hurts now. Jesus Christ. This is one of the reasons why we created 1348 to help people like that. Jesus. This is what I say, don't get left behind. That's exactly a good way to get left behind. Jeez, man. Looking for Spy to go diving soon? I think we're going to chop, but who knows? Let's see. The reason why that hurts me so much is that I know the types of decisions that people who think like that make in the market with their money. It's just like, it hurts. It just hurts. Squirrel votes chop. I do too. I mean, you might knife to 400 again, but if they close it down below 400 today, that would be interesting. I don't know if they can. I mean, you're close. That person killed the move. Yeah, they did. Which stocks may have a residual effects from Microsoft's earnings? Activision, maybe some AI companies, C3 AI. Francisco, remember what we were talking about last night? You're gonna need to ask me something specific about it. Please do not come to me for confirmation bias on trades that you are taking. If you want something specific, sure. But I can't, I'm not going to, because again, I'm going to say it's 50-50 either way. I can say it looks good, it looks bad, it looks whatever, but at the end of the day, it's 50-50 and you have to manage your risk. I'm not even going to look at the chart and I'm going to tell you that right now. Like it probably looks okay, but it could go the other way and you're going to have to manage your risk. So 50-50. Like you got to, like, you see what I'm saying? It's like, I need something specific because if I'm going to cut, if like, okay, so let's say for example, I saw it and I was like, ooh, that looks fucking good. You're probably just going to buy it. Like, that's not what I want. Do you think last year's lows are in or new lows this year? I still think that we could test the top of the COVID zone, and that's the actual low, but who knows? Yeah, and remember, guys, you have until February 1st as your last chance to get in on that 50% lifetime deal before it moves to the 10-month installment plan. So if you guys want to get in on that now, again, I've been saying don't get left behind for a while. But for the time being, the monthly is going to be remaining the same. So you still get your 2-week free trial. You still get it at 69, which is lower than the 96 it was previously. So you guys want to hop in there. Again, 2 weeks for free. There's that link down there. I just sent it in, and it's also at the top of the live chat for those of you guys interested as well. But if you were interested in joining as a lifetime at the 50% discount price, you have until February 1st before it moves to like the 10-month installment plan, so we can make sure that everybody is taken care of equally. Let's see here. Poor SB, now he's depressed. Yeah, dude, because people are just like they just fucking New York Stock Exchange City system issue resulted in continuous trading without open auction. Evaluating marking trades as Ooh. Oh my god, are they gonna reverse trades? No way. They did that on nickel, didn't they? Didn't they reverse a bunch of nickel trades? No, the 10 months installment will total, they're 10 installments of 150. So it's slightly higher for the installment plan. Are you here to help or just belittle people? I will belittle after everything I've done to try and help people. So at this point, if you still come and say those things to me after I've told you many, many times previously that that's just not the case, yes, I will then make fun of you. I'm not here for you guys to like me. I'm here to help you guys make money. I don't give a fuck if you like me. I don't care. It's the internet. I'm going to tell you a lot of things sometimes that you don't want to hear, but you need to. Arvin, no. Spy running up again here. Hello. Let's see. Do you care if cougars like you? Not really, no. They don't have to like me. Let's see. They just have to respect me. But if you're a leader to your community, you should want to be likable. Nope, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I'm here to help you. If I'm just going to tell you what you want to hear all the time, you know what that's going to do? Help you lose money. You can hate me all you want, but I'm going to be right. And I'm going to help you make money. That's what it is. There are a lot of times where people are like this, like the plain 0-day shit. I will slap the hammer down on you so quick if you start saying that you're trading with terrible risk management. And guess what? You don't probably want to hear that, but you need to. You're probably going to get off some of those calls sometimes and be like, wow, STV was kind of mean to me. But the reason for that is to snap you out of it, to make sure that you're doing what you need to be doing and not treating the market like a fucking casino. Let's see. Not about that life. Calm down. Ooh. Try me. Let's see. You're not even mean. People are just human marshmallows these days. Fair. But everyone can't take it. Then everybody can't succeed in the market too. If you can't hear some tough love sometimes about when you're screwing up, you're just going to be a failure. Like seriously, it's not about being liked. It's about making sure that you guys have the tools that you need. You have a love-hate relationship with Viggs. If he was my little brother, he would be well in triple figure wedgies by now. That's fine, man. But I'm going to be correct. Let's see. No, Jay, I don't tell you what I'm doing ever. It's all strategy and stuff. You can be as mean as you want to me as long as it makes you snap out of making dumb trades. Exactly. That's the point. Maybe you should diss out spankings to prove a point. I played 0 days yesterday. Moto, stop. Off topic. Any more words of wisdom for us young folks? I like having them written down. Yeah, don't get anybody pregnant. Don't smoke crack. Don't become an alcoholic. I know I was joking there, but I don't know. I can think of some more. In my all-knowing wisdom being 23. Richest man in Babylon. That's a good one. Romeo bet. Yeah, don't get anybody pregnant. That's a bad one. Maybe people want a spanking. Yeah. Squirrel plays 0 they see. Stop. Stop. You guys are the ones that are trying to shave my ball. Like, stop.